Okay, so this video is about my injuries. So one time I was little and I wanted to climb this chair. And my mom said I'm not allowed to. But then when she looked away for 1 second, I slipped onto the chair, onto the table. One time I was swinging with my friend. Snap. But then my leg was filled with ketchup. Okay, next one. So this one time, my friends were jumping off this big rock, and when they were not there, I went down slowly. Okay, video over.